How to write the perfect bullet points for your Amazon listing. This is one of the most popular concern of all of the Amazon sellers, because if you write the bullet points properly, then the customers visiting your listing can actually know more about your product, like what this product is about, what is the material, what is the size, and what are the main features of that product. And believe me, if you write your bullet point correctly by doing the proper keyword research and proper competitor research, then your conversion rate can actually boost a lot. And if you are the follower of my channel, then you might know that in all of my videos, I focus a lot on conversion rate. Because in Amazon selling or any e-commerce platform selling, if your conversion rate is good, your listing or product is actually high converting, then you can actually get a good amount of sales by putting less amount in advertisement. Because if 1000 customers are visiting your listing every day and 100 out of those are actually purchasing, that means your conversion rate is actually good and 100 out of 1000 are actually purchasing. But for example, if your listing is getting 1000 people visiting your listing regularly, but only 10, 20 or 50 are purchasing, that means there is something wrong with your listing, the conversion rate is not good, and you're actually wasting your money in advertisement. Because advertisement can bring you traffic, can bring you customers, but then it will be their decision to purchase or not. So if you write your bullet point, title and description properly with the proper keyword research and define proper feature of your product in a proper manner, then the conversion rate of your listing can be better and you can actually get a lot of sales and make more profit with a less spend on advertisement. So if you want to learn properly how you can actually write the best bullet point for your listing, then keep on watching this short video till the end without skipping any part, because this video is going to be super helpful for you, as I'm going to be giving you a valuable information which you cannot find anywhere for free. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon website right now. So let's search for any product like lemon squeezer. So we can just take that product as an example, and we can actually find out what are the main feature, main qualities of that product, what is the material, and what thing actually people are looking in that product. So if you're willing to sell that particular product, just for an example, so what point you need to address in your bullet point. So right after searching that keyword on Amazon for that particular product, you need to find out 2 of the best selling listing of that product on Amazon. For example, if we can see these 2 listings, number 1 and number 3. So number 1 is having Amazon Choice badge and number 2 is having bestseller badge. So let's open these 2 listings, and from the main page we can see that the number 1 listing is actually having 13,800 reviews, and this seller has actually sold 1,000 units in past week and the selling price is 5.89. And if you go right on the second seller, so they are actually having 40k reviews and more than 2,000 units have been sold in past week and the selling price is $14.99. So if we open this second listing, because as we can see here, this listing is actually performing good, having more sales, more reviews, so we can actually make this listing as a standard listing. And if you open this listing, go down and try to read out the reviews, so we can actually learn a lot from this listing for our bullet point. So here in this video, just to make this video short, I'm going to be explaining you the process for this listing. But if you are serious about making your bullet point better, so you need to learn this process and repeat the same process for at least 5 competitors of your product on Amazon. So let's see what they're actually explaining in their bullet point. So here we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are actually having 5 bullet points, and if we start reading all of those points one by one, so we will be able to know like what features, what quality, and what other things they are actually explaining in these 5 bullet points. So the heading of first bullet point is squeeze out every drop of juice. So we can clearly understand after reading that heading, like in this point they are actually explaining the feature like squeeze out every drop of juice, because this product is actually a lemon squeezer in which you can actually hold that product in your hand, put out the lemon, and if you squeeze that lemon, so it will basically put out the juice of that lemon into a glass. And it is the wish of every customer that when they put the lemon and squeeze that, so every drop out of that lemon they can get in the glass. So this bullet point is actually explaining that feature. Like if you use our product to squeeze your lemon, so this product can actually take out every drop of that lemon into the glass, so you can actually extract the maximum drops. So now let's move on to the second bullet point, which is save time and space. So in this bullet point, they're actually explaining about the size of that product. Like this product is portable, it's having a small size, so it can be easily fitted in your drawer, in your kitchen, or if you're traveling, so you can actually put that product in your bag as well, because it will not occupy too much space. So in the second point, they're actually explaining about the size and weight of that product. So now move on to the third point, which is sturdy and heavy duty bowls. So basically here the bowls mean, if you go on the image, we can see that these are actually 3 bowls. 2 are the yellow and 1 is green. And in the third bullet point, they are explaining about the quality of these bowls. Like these small bowls are actually made up of a heavy duty plastic which cannot be easily break, because this can be a concern of a customer, like when they put the lemon in that and squeeze it tightly, so at the time of squeezing they can actually break these bowls. So it will be super important for them to check the quality material of the bowl and make sure that they are made up of heavy duty. So this bullet point is actually explaining the quality of the bowls. So now move on to the second last, which is cleans in second. And this one is actually a very good point, because it can be a concern for the customer, like when they use this product for squeezing lemon and making the juice. So right after completing the task, they need to wash that device and put that back into the drawer. And if that tool or device is easy to wash, then it will make the task of the customer easier for them right after making the juice. So it can be a very positive point for the customer to know before purchasing. And the last point, which is called hassle-free 0 guarantee. And in the last point, they are actually explaining the brand guarantee and warranty, that this product is actually made up of a strong material, heavy duty material, and they are actually giving a lifetime guarantee. So by reading this bullet point, people can actually purchase this product without any worry of breaking or the quality of the product. So right after reading this 5 bullet point, I am actually able to convince myself to purchase this product, because after reading all of those 5 points, I can know that this product is the best. Like having the best material, heavy duty material, I can actually store it easily, I can actually wash it easily, and I can travel with this product because it is not occupying too much space. And when I will be making the lemon juice from this product, it will actually squeeze all of those drops from the lemon into my glass. So just like this, if you are selling any product and if you open any competitor listing, bestseller listing, and read out their bullet point, so you will be able to know like what kind of feature and what kind of qualities your competitor actually explaining in their listing, so you can actually explain those qualities as well in a more proper way, in a more proper manner, so all of those buyers who are actually visiting your listing cannot resist them to purchase from your listing. So basically these are the points that are actually convincing me to purchase this product. And just like that, if I see all of those images one by one, all of those points which they have explained in bullet point in an action in these images, you can see that the second image is showing the product in action, like they are squeezing the lemon, and the third image is actually showing these bowls. And the fourth image showing that you can actually use this product for multiple purposes, and then right after using that product, you can clean that product and save your time. And here you can see that they have actually explained some more feature like easy to clean, dishwasher safe, rust resistance, and food grade coating. So basically if you work properly on the listing images, listing bullet point, listing title and description, so you can actually make your listing more convertible. And if 1,000 people are visiting your listing, so by optimizing your listing in a better way, you can actually make more than 200 people purchase from your listing. That's why I always tell you in all of my videos that please work on the optimization of your listing, please work on the conversion rate of your listing, because I personally know that if you do so, then in the same amount of money which you're spending on your advertisement, you can actually double your sales and double your profit. And what mistake most of the people do is they are keep pushing money on the PPC, they are keep pushing more and more keywords on the PPC, which can actually bring them the customers, but if their listing is not optimized, not good, not convertible, then they can actually lose their customer and lose the money they are actually putting on PPC. So at this point, I'm not saying that you don't need to put the effort in the PPC, but before putting the effort in the PPC, you need to work on the optimization of your listing, because if your listing is convertible, then PPC will work, otherwise your PPC will not get profitable. So right after watching this video, go there, check out your listing conversion rate, check out your PPC ACOS, and if after reading your bullet point, you are thinking that these are not enough to convert your audience, so you need to rewrite all of those bullet points again, so you can actually get the more better conversion rate. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.